Okay, so straight to the point, you want Google Veo for free, and I promise you at the end of that video you are getting that for free without any credit cards. Okay, so let's start. You have to search on Google Cloud Skill Boost, and it will draw to that website, and after that you can sign in with your Google account. I already have signed in, so I don't need to sign in. You know how to sign in, you already sign in at multiple places. So when you sign in, it will ask for your age, add your age. Okay, and you will see a dashboard like that. Search on Google AI Vertex or Vertex Labs. You will find the first one. You have to click on that and start the lab. After that, and once you start the lab, you have to prove your sanity because you are a robot or not. After you confirm you are not made of tin, you have to just see this. These are the credentials. You have to open a private tab for that. Okay, so I'm using Brave. And after that you have to click on that open the cloud console, and you have to copy that link. I already copied that, but it's not showing with the OBS. I don't know why. Okay, so you have to click on that place and copy the link by clicking right click and copy that link. Okay, once you have copied, you have to head towards the private window and you have to paste the link. I'm using Brave because YouTube ad sucks, and actually ad revenue doesn't sucks, but ad sucks. Okay, so we are there. So when they are logging me in, we have to just open another window and search for the Gemini is their language model, you already know, which is much like bad than the ChatGPT and Grok, but their video generation Veo is far better than other because it added sound. You have to go to just searching for the Gemini, and once you search the Gemini, okay, you are on Gemini dashboard. You have to do a sign in. You already got your Google account from the labs, and when you press chat with Gemini, they will ask you some stuff like do you have your property papers or not, and after that, yeah, you are on the screen. But wait, why can't we see the video generation now? Because my internet sucks. After some time you will see a video generation icon where you can generate videos for free as I promised. And if I fulfilled my promise, you have to fulfill your promise. You have to subscribe me and like that video. Okay, so finally we got that. Yo Airtels, your internet sucks. Okay, now you can see you have to just add the prompt, wait for the video to work, and all set. Subscribe my channel for those tips. Okay, and this is a loophole. Actually Google made those systems so people can learn about the AI, but they are using it to generate the things that cost some of dollars. So you can same sub money here. Okay, so bye. I fulfilled my promise. Now it's your turn. Bye bye.